In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase Wallet. To do this, just go and open up the Coinbase Wallet app and click on your wallet in the bottom right. From here, click buy, and now for me it's set to USDC, so just click on whatever it says for you. And at the top, I recommend just setting it to all networks, and then here search for the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, I'll go with Bitcoin, and then here just select Bitcoin or whichever other cryptocurrency you want to buy. And then choose how much you want to buy, for example 50 euros. And then where it says pay with, just go and click on it, and then here you can pick any of these payment methods. Now if you have a Coinbase account, you can also choose to transfer from Coinbase, so that could be easy if you already have some money in your Coinbase account. But for this example, I'll just go with a debit card, so I'll click debit card. However, if you don't have a Coinbase account or you don't want to connect to Coinbase, then the only option is to use Apple Pay. So then you can click use Apple Pay, and then here you can pay with Apple Pay. So basically after selecting how you want to do it, you can then just go and connect to Coinbase or pay using Apple Pay, and after doing that, you will then have bought crypto on Coinbase Wallet. So that's how you can buy crypto on your Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.